Hello guys, hello, welcome to the day 7 Days of Devops challenge. As I have told, we are on day 76 of this challenge. So let's see what we have to do in the day 76 of the challenge. Mhm. Okay, let's first read the problem statement. We have to grant project-based permission to Jenkins user. Okay. Package jobs. Sam Rohan. Okay. So what is the requirement? It has onboarded some new developers named Sam and Rohan. His password is given Sam pass Rohan pass 12345. Okay, what we have to do? We have to enable project-based matrix authorization. Then we have to inherit permissions from parent ACL, grant permission to this, and then inherit from parent ACL and grant mention permission SAM user build configure read. Okay, to SAM user we have to read build configure read, and for one build cancel configure read update tag. Okay, this permission we will need. So let's start with the Jenkins username password admin. What is the password? I copied it from here. Okay, done. So what I have to do? See, for project-based matrix authorization strategy, we need to install this plugin. So this is the plugin which we need to install it from here. Go to plugins and label plugins. Search for project-based matrix authorization. Should be there, I think. What is a matrix authorization strategy? This plugin you need to install. Let's install this. Okay, so install. Let's restart the Jenkins. Now what we have to do? We have to enable this project-based matrix authorization strategy. So now you will see after this plugin is installed, a new option named security will be appearing. Let's go to manage Jenkins, and now you can see a security option here. See, this security options was not there earlier, now it comes. So let's go to security, and it's under authorization. Let's say to this. Okay, advanced screen, what is this? It shares this access to national project-based matrix authorization strategy. Okay, so now add admin user. We have to add admin user with all the permissions. So where is this? Let's add username admin. Yeah, so this is the admin user which we have added, and then we have to give all the user to this admin user. After giving this, let's save this. Okay. Now what we have to do? Let's do. Now what we have to do? We have to enable project specific permission and overall Google LCECL. So let's go to the dashboard. Dashboard of Jenkins, and let's see the packages. We have to go to permissions over here. Then we have to configure it. General. Yeah, this is the login. What we have to do. Yeah, we have to enable this project being secure under inheritance strategy. Okay, this we have to select. We have to inherit permissions. That is it. And now let's add user with name Sam and add another user with name Rohan. And here what we have to do is to Sam user we need to get permissions for read, build and configure. So for Sam user you can say I can give the option for read, then configure and then build. These three permissions we have to give to Sam user, and to Rohan user we need to give this read, these three: read, build, configure and cancel, update and tag. So this is tag, this is update and cancel. Yes, cancel, yeah, this one is cancel. This six we need to give it to Rohan user and then just click on save. These many users can only execute. Now, now let's see. Now let's log in. I am login as an admin user. So now let's log out from admin user and let's log in with the Sam user. Username is Sam. Password is Sam pass 12345. Let's see. Okay, so Sam is missing overall read permission. This is okay because we haven't given permission for reading. No, we have given permission Sam to read. Okay. Sam is reading. Why it is showing as this? Let's log out again and let's check. Admin. हाँ Boom in the chat. Completed. You can see task is completed. So we have a 5 minutes of break. After that, we will be coming. So let's submit this and let's open this also. Let's open our other task. Okay, let's see what is the problem statement. D77. What? कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, प्रीवियस वाली भी यूज़ कर लेंगे, मोटिवेट कर देंगे। क्या भाई, एक तो 207 क्रेडिट यूज़ कर लिए तुमने, 626 क्रेडिट यूज़ कुछ भी ऑलरेडी। Okay, let's just do this task. Only 23 minutes are remaining. Let's do this. This is day 77. Okay, let's first no issue. Let's read this. What we have to do? Deployment team, they have shared their team sticky. Okay, so this we will do. Let's similarly check on the video button on the top bar. That Git UI, we have to log in with this. Then Sarah. Okay, let's find this and store server where www html. Okay, we must Jenkins pipeline and then live instantly via load balancer. Okay, is there any load balancer given? Okay, Sarah Java is had a slave node and a storage server. We have to storage server. We have to add the slave node. Okay, str store one where www html. Apache is already installed on the server, no issues. Then we have to create a pipeline job which is name is data center web app job. And then we have to deploy this. HTML and then deploy the code web app under where www html. Okay, load balancer is configured. You will be able to data change on the app button. Please make sure the load on the menu है. ठीक है, लोड बैलेंसर का हम UI ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है, सो जेनकिंस यूजर में एक बार पहले हम लॉगिन कर लेते हैं अपने एडमिन से. फटाफट लॉगिन करेंगे, फिर ये टास्क हम करेंगे कंप्लीट. ठीक है, ऐसे ही सिमिलरली एक बार गिटिया के यूजर पे भी हम लोग कर लेते हैं लॉगिन. सारा पासवर्ड क्या है? सारा पास 1 2 3. फास्ट करना पड़ेगा ये टास्क क्योंकि वी डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम रिमेनिंग. ओके, सो ये ठीक है. सारा ऐड इंडेक्स डॉट एचटीएमएल. ठीक है, तो हम लोग इंडेक्स डॉट एचटीएमएल विजिबल होना चाहिए. वेलकम टू xFusionCorp इंडस्ट्री है, दिस इज द एप्लीकेशन. इसमें कुछ CI/CD पाइपलाइन लगे अपडेट होगा. ठीक है, अब चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना टास्क. So to manage Jenkins, प्लगइन्स में जाओ, अवेलेबल प्लगइन्स में we need to install 2 plugins. One plugin is SSH build agent, this we need to install, and the second plugin is pipeline. These 2 plugins we need to install. Then let's install this. ठीक है, तो ये इंस्टॉल हो गया अभी. ठीक है, सक्सेस सक्सेस सक्सेस. ओके, डन. Let's wait for these all tasks. Okay, success. Then let's wait for these all. Yeah, success. Okay, so declare the pipeline installing. Let's wait for the installation. Now, what we have to do, since this will run as a node storage server, so in storage, see, Jenkins will run the node storage server as a slave node. So we need to install Java because Jenkins is run on top of Java. Okay, success. See, all the jobs are success. Let's restart the Jenkins, and after restarting, what we have to do, we have to SSH to the storage server. Let's connect it. What will be the password of storage server? Let's see this. Storage server, not in storage server. This is the password. So let's put the password and let's install the Java. Let's install the Java. But what happened? Why is not copied the password? Okay, now copy. Let's copy this. Why permission denied? This is the password. Let's try to copy and paste it again. Great, we are inside the storage server of Natasha. Okay, so in the storage server, what we have to do, we have to install Java, JVM. Again, asking for password, then no issues. Let's give the password. Okay, so it's not started installing the Java. And by the way, since we have restarted the Jenkins, let's go to the dashboard. Then after installing Java, let's give the ownership to credentials. Okay. Okay. After installing Java, Java installed. Okay. Now the Java is installed. Let's give this ownership of to Natasha user. Okay. Then exit it. Okay. Connected. This one is done. Okay. Now what we have to do? How much time is remaining? 16 minutes. Okay. Enough time. Let's do this fast. So let's go to the manage Jenkins and let's add a global credential for Sara user. Okay, storage. Let's go to credentials, global credentials, add credential. In the credential username and password, we will put username as Natasha and password will be this. And the ID will be storage server 1. So it's given. This is the name of the server. So the ID will be this. Description. The description you can write anything, but I will write storage server access. Okay, let's create this. Okay, so the data is created. Now we have to register this storage server to the as a node. So let's go to the manage Jenkins. Inside this manage Jenkins we have a node. Let's create a new node. Let's see the node node name is storage server. Node name is storage server. Type is permanent agent. Create the node. And for this we have to launch it via SSH. So for SSH credentials is Natasha credentials it will take. Okay. So from the beginning, let's see remote root directory is already given to us, which is /var www html. Okay. So this is the remote root directory which is given, and the labels will be this. Labels will be this. I think labels and host will be same. So labels is same, host is this, launch agent via users node as much possible. So, and known file is non-verifying verification strategy. So inside this non-verifying verification strategy, yeah, this was the thing we have to just save it. After saving, you can see immediately currently is in NA. If it comes in sync, that means the node is online. Let's refresh this. In sync. Great. Boom in the chat. We have completed our 80% of the task. Because storage server is in sync. That means all the credentials which we have given are correct. 14 minutes are still remaining. No issue. Okay. So after this, let's create a pipeline now. So in manage Jenkins, let's create a new item. In the item name, we need to give data center web job. And since this is a pipeline, so we have to make a pipeline and then let's click OK. Okay, so now the definition, say click, and now in the definition we will get the pipeline script. Okay, and then we need to give the pipeline script. Definition is the pipeline script. Okay, and you can ignore this, but okay, let's ignore this pipeline script. Inside this, what is this? We have to question. What is this now? This is very important. See, this is a pipeline, so we have declared the agent is labeled. So this process will run on the storage on server one, and then stages is just we have to deploy the where www web app to the get pull origin master. So something is there inside this web app. Let's see what is inside this web app. Welcome to xFusionCorp. This will be deployed to the storage server. So we have need okay, just where is okay. So this is CDML. Inside this it will pull the it will pull and then just finish the job. Then just save it. So now our everything is ready. Let's build this job. And if we build this job, let's see the progress. What happened? Why it failed? No such file or directory. Stage deploy. Where www.html web app. There is no such file or directory. Why? Web underscore app. Why it's not there on the storage server? No such file or directory. Hmm. Why it's happening? Right now it's not using the load balancer. Okay, this job is weird. Let's backtrack this. Okay, let's do one thing. I think now this issue is let's configure this, and we need to put this as where www html my web app. No new web app. Let's save this and let's build it again. I hope it should work now. Yes, boom in the chat, guys. Write a boom in the chat. Let's see the console output pipeline started. Get pull from here. Sara web app already up to date. Finished success. Now let's see the output of app. this job is completed. See, all jobs are succeeding now. Now what we have to do, let's go to slash web and let's go app. Oh, this will not be something like okay. Main UI. Okay. Okay. So let's submit this task. I think everything is working. Let's try to check and submit this. Write a boom in the chat if you were able to do this. This was an easy task. Just a Jenkins completer reason was there. Let's submit this. Okay. Let's do one more task. Let's do one more task today. Jenkins conditional pipeline. Let's see. Let's see this today. Task day 78. Okay, let's go to day 78 and see this. Conditional. Let's see what is it. xFusionCorp stream is enhancing the static website using Jenkins pipeline. And now they need a conditional deployment. Again, same app updated. Let's go to Jenkins and then Git UI also. Okay, so log into Jenkins. This task is same again and again. Admin 3 to 1. Give me sign in. Let's sign in. Let's sign into Git UI also. Git UI's remember the password is password. Okay. Okay, so this first step is completed. We have logged in. Okay. Let's go inside this. And what is inside this? Welcome to xFusionCorp Industry. This would come. Okay. We have to update it. Okay. Okay, no issues. Let's see what we have to do. We have to add a save node. Same thing again. Okay, just we need to pass the different branch. Are there two branch? Okay, so there is a feature branch also. Okay. So this feature branch we need to pass. Okay. This is a master branch. Okay. Okay, again do the same thing. Let's install. Go to there is Jenkins plugins, available plugins. Inside this available plugins, Install SSH build agent. SSH build agent. Then pipeline. Okay. Pipeline. Install this. So if it's installing, then let's go to the Natasha server. Go to the Natasha server. SSH. We have to install the Java inside this. So installing the Java inside the storage server. Natasha. Storage server. This is the password. Okay. Putting in the password. Okay, so we are inside this Natasha server. If everything is done, restart the Jenkins. So okay, we are inside the Natasha server. So we can install the Java inside this server. Again the password. Let's put the password. Okay, it is installed. Started Java installation. Again we have to give the permission after this. And after this, okay, let's go to the manage Jenkins. Then we have to add the credentials. Go to credentials, global credentials, add credentials, username and password. So we will add Natasha. This is completed, okay. So we will add the username Natasha. Password is already given as BLK and so we will take the password as this. ID is this. Let's take the ID and description, anything we can put. Say storage server access. Let's create this. And by the way, our this is installed, so let's change it to ownership of this. Changing the ownership of giving on Natasha and on this also. Ownership change. Exit. Done. Okay. This credentials is added. Credentials is added. Then let's register the storage server. Same thing again. So manage Jenkins. Nodes. Create a new node. Node name is same. Storage server. Type is permanent agent. Let's create it. And launch is agent by SSH. Credentials are Natasha credentials which we have given. Verifying is non-verification strategy and host. So host and this labels and host will be same. So host is this, labels is this, and I think everything is done. Just need to put the remote out directory which is where www.html, yeah, this one. Okay, it's completed now. Everything is okay. Yeah, correct. Save it. Let's save it. Let's wait for the some time. You can see in sync. That means it is successfully connected and it's online. Okay. This is completed by click completing means we have already completed by 80% of the thing. So let's create a pipeline, which is the most important part of this. Let's go to the creator. Let's create a pipeline and okay. So this project is parameterized. Let's set this project. Now this is important. This project is parameterized, and then what we have to add? We have to add a string parameter to it. So here we will pass the value of branch, that it is main branch, feature branch, or what is this. So the name of this is branch. Default value is master branch. As you can see, the default value here is master branch. Okay. So from this master branch, we need to deploy the this. Okay, this was the parameter pipeline. Then let's go to the pipeline definition. Let's add a script. I will explain you. I will explain you this completely. Okay. So what is this? We are deploying it to the. We are first importing the temporary files, and they have already told us. There is conditional deploy the code web location is already this mounted to the document root where www.html. Okay. So, okay. So it will copy the securely. It will clone the branch. This web get. It will clone the which branch it will clone the default branch master branch, and then it will echo this secure copy to the www.html, and then it will remove it. This is the complete task. And now let's save this. Now build it with parameters. So let's take it first as master branch. Okay, let's build it with master branch. Let's see what is the status of this job. Boom, in the chat, it succeeded. Let's see the console output of this. See, started by user running on storage server. Okay, this is an agent. Okay, after get cloned, it is cloned. It has changed the user. It has copied given the permissions to test.html. Secured copy is done, and it succeed. So this pipeline is succeed. Currently is updated. See the check. See, currently it was saying updated, and now it's saying welcome to xFusionCorp Industries. This was the magic. Now let's again test it. Again build it with parameters, and this time I will give as a parameter not master but a feature branch. Let's build it. It's in progress. It succeeded. See, it succeeded. Let's see the output. Now you can see it is succeeded, finished. It is giving feature not HTML. It succeeded. And see if there is any change over here. Updated. See how easy it was. Earlier it was using feature branch. So it told us updated. And when we build this job, see it's updated. And when we build this job, let's build it again with master. Let's build it again. It's building. It's completed. So it got success. Let's again refresh this. Welcome to xFusionCorp. This is the game. So first time we are building it with master branch where we are getting this. Second time we are building it with feature branch, and inside feature we are getting updated. We have added a new feature in this index.html. This was the easy task which we need to. Default is master, so it was always writing as master. Okay, it's completed. Fourth job, console output. You can see this is the easiest task which I have seen. It's updated. You can see now updated. Okay, so when you see, let's build this last time with our feature branch. Let's build it. Okay, so it is in progress. Build it. If it is built, let's see. It's updated. See, see the magic. Okay, so let's come to this. Let's submit this. Huh? What happened? xFusion web app job. Oh, what stupidity they are doing. They are stupid actually. We have to name the job as xFusion web app job. This lab environment is just sucks. This lab environment sucks. These are stupid guys. This thing is stupid. This is what? Just for a name, you are saying that uh, your task is not completed. What is this? I forgot to name the pipeline just because of the naming convention. They are saying your task is not complete. Everything is working fine. Stupid guys. Stupid guys. Yes. This time we have to write Devops man job. Not alias man job. Stupid guys. So यार इसका मैंने करना तो बदल दिया. Jenkins UI को KTI UI का कोई काम नहीं है. ठीक है. कह रहे हैं तो खोल ही लेंगे. KTI UI चलो नहीं खोल ले. Guys, write a boom in the chat if you are able to complete this task. Finally, we have completed this. Let's do this tomorrow, okay? Stay safe, stay healthy, bye. Ending the stream in 3,